My name is Cody Irwin. I'm the instructor for industrial technology here at Meridian Tech. Every kid that's taken apart their toys, radios, anything that you give them, they try to break it. They're pretty much perfect because that's our job. We take it apart, fix it, break it. I mean, everything that we do is hands-on, tearing something apart. The majority of my class goes from juniors to seniors, and then even our partners from industry will send in employees to get specific training as well. We do electrical, mechanical, fluid power, and process controls. So that's where we start to mix in some of the computer science and PLCs. For the most part, we start with Amatrol, just because of the safety quality of it.
My name is Bridger Arrington. So I graduated from the industrial technology class at 2024. When I first came here, I wasn't sure if this was something that I wanted to do. I went ahead and applied. Once I got here, I really enjoyed it. I do like the Amatrol equipment. It was really easy to practice on, made it easy to see it, understand it. My favorite area was probably the logic controllers. I never really worked with computers before, so I learned a lot about computers and computer science part, and I really enjoyed those.
My name is Corbin Silkwood. When I was little, I would build Legos without the instructions and then go back and check them, see if I had it right. And sometimes I'd keep how I did it originally, because I liked it better. Everyone in my family was kind of a trades. My grandpa, plumber, my dad, construction, and then his hobby was carpentry. And then my great-grandpa even was a welder. I learned about tech schools like Meridian and learned that those things that I'm having to learn in a class, I can actually learn with my hands. It seemed like almost too good to be true. In this type of environment, in this type of kinesthetic learning, you are able to practice and learn how you would in the real world. It allows you to build more confidence that way. It allows you to be able to go out into a job, help you through that interview process, through the teachings that they practice here, and then also help you succeed in that job once you get it.
Working with tech labs is very unique. One thing that Joe does particularly well is he doesn't try to sell you. He's taught before he has the background. If I say, okay, I wanted to start offering something more with process controls, Joe was a big part of that. He showed me all the options he had available, gave me demos for the curriculum, let me go out and work with other equipment, and luckily I'd already been familiar with my education. In tech school, we used a lot of Amatrol and tech labs equipment.
Through this program, I was able to get certifications, and these certifications were through a program called SACA. It makes sure that you know what you're talking about. Right now, with the certifications that I have, I was actually able to get an evaluation, which is coming up for my current job, and they're going to give me anywhere from $150 to $4 raise.
I've been fortunate enough to see my students grow and actually use their education. I have a handful that I get to watch actually go out and work at some pretty high-end jobs. They get to have that experience and share with me what they're going through, and we take that and just build it and piece it right into our curriculum. So hopefully their experiences are bettering all the other future students' experiences as well.